Today, we will use the sensations of sitting to return to the present moment. Find a comfortable position. You may sit on a chair or the edge of a bed. Allow your hands to rest naturally. Keep your eyes gently closed or lower your gaze. Take one slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Let the breath return to its natural rhythm. Feel the places where your body meets the surface beneath you. Notice the weight of the body resting downward. Perhaps you can feel pressure beneath the legs, the contact of the feet with the floor, or the support beneath the back. You do not need to picture these areas. Feel the physical sensations directly. Pressure, warmth, coolness, firmness. Notice your hands. Feel where they are resting. You may sense the touch of one finger against another, the weight of the palms, or the texture of clothing beneath them. There is no need to search for a special feeling. Ordinary sensations are enough. As you sit, the mind may begin thinking about what happened earlier today, or what you need to do later. When you notice this, return to one clear physical sensation. Perhaps the feet touching the floor, or the body resting on the chair. Notice the position of the body. Is it leaning slightly forward? Or leaning back? Or resting somewhere in between? Do not correct it immediately. Simply notice. If the position feels uncomfortable, you may adjust it slowly and consciously. Feel the body moving. Then feel it becoming still again. Now notice several sensations together. The feet on the floor, the hands resting, the weight of the body beneath you. See whether you can experience sitting as one complete physical moment. Not as an idea, not as an image of yourself sitting, but as pressure, contact, weight, and touch. You may feel some parts of the body very clearly. Other areas may feel distant or unclear. There is no need to make every sensation equally strong. Notice what you feel. Now bring attention to the movement created by breathing. Feel how the body changes slightly with each breath. Perhaps the chest moves. Perhaps the belly shifts. Perhaps the shoulders move slightly. Let breathing be part of the wider experience of sitting. The body resting. The body breathing. The body being supported. In everyday life, the mind often moves ahead of the body. While eating, it plans the next task. While walking, it replays a conversation. While sitting with someone, it prepares what to say next. The body can become a simple way back. The feeling of your feet. The weight of your hands. The contact with the chair. If a strong thought appears, there is no need to push it away. Notice that thinking is happening. Then feel the body beneath the thought. The thought may continue. The body can still be felt. Both can be present without your attention becoming completely lost. Now sense the body as a whole. From the top of the head, down through the chest, the arms, the legs, and the feet. Before finishing, notice one sensation that feels clearest right now. Stay with it for a few moments. Take one slightly deeper breath in. And slowly breathe out. Feel the room around you. Feel the surface beneath you. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. This was day 8. Today, you practiced returning to the present through the physical experience of sitting. During the day, you can use the same skill anywhere. Feel your feet on the ground. Notice your hands. Or sense the support beneath your body. Tomorrow, we will begin noticing areas of tension and allowing the body to soften gently.